Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to PlayStation 3. And here I have a beautiful PlayStation 3. Last video I made was the opening of the PlayStation 3, which was pretty lame because the camera work and stuff. But I have my PlayStation 3 here. I wanted to just give you a look of what the PlayStation 3 dashboard basically looks like. So I guess we call it the first look of PlayStation 3, or the dash, or whatever they call it. I'm using the Avril Live Gamer Portable to record this. Because of PlayStation 3 encryption, the HDCP or whatever it's called, and both Xbox One and PlayStation 4 will have this because they both have Blu-ray. Something to do with basically the Blu-ray technology to prevent people from copying, even though there's many ways around it. We're using composite into the Avril media player using the special cable that came with it for just PlayStation 3, and it's basically letting us record that, and of course then it converts it into HD back into the TV. So either way, you have the sound and you can hear me and you can see it, so it looks great. No shaky camera since that's actually recording off the screen. So you got turn off system, create a new user, and of course there's just Kane. There's some options here, probably information. There you go. I guess I can change my icon or something here. Oh, there you go, a little cute little icon, or select a photo. I'll just select that for now. Yay, there's Kane. But anyways, you have multiple users, of course. You got your settings, you got your system update, just update, whenever. You can do a storage card or through the internet. You got your game settings here. Upscaling is be outputting video to HDTV, so basically making it look nicer. Smoothing of images. You got video settings here. This is Blu-ray, I guess. BD menus. Audio, subtitle languages. This is all the languages, internet connection, DVD stuff, audio language, subtitles again, closed captions, cinema, conversation, set up playback, blah, blah, record setting and only use blah, blah, blah. DVD widescreen display, DVD blue, is that Blu-ray, I guess? BD/DVD upscaler. And then you got video format, HDMI, and then you got this whole more settings here. 1080p 24 hertz output. I guess it's 24 hertz because I'm using the composite, but you can see there's tons and tons of settings here just for all that. That's just for the video settings. And you got the music settings. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. You got the music settings. Wait, did we skip one? Game settings? Oh no, we didn't. The video settings. Okay, there you go. And then we got this music settings. So you got the audio, crossfade playback, output frequency, bit mapping, wow, dynamic normalizer, and you got these chat settings, voice and video chat start, blah blah blah. You got system settings, of course, here with the automatic updates, which we can actually set to on. Select the time to use this feature. Let's say 10 a.m. to, well, I probably won't be playing at 8 a.m. Download game patches, blah blah blah. Okay, there you go. There you go. System name, you can name the system here, so we can change it to whatever. I'll change that later. System language, character set, all that fun stuff. Dictionary type, edit a term is basically when you're typing with your gamepad, you can just basically add some terms in faster, delete something, a predicted thing, say something pops up all the time. Notification messages, trophy notifications, display what's new, disk auto start on. I'm going to actually turn that off. I don't like that. Control for HDMI, system and devices connected, blah, 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 can operate each other. So that's like basically Skynet. Got this DivX stuff here. I guess you gotta need a registration code. That's cool. Enable ATRAC. Enable playback of music content. Enable WMA playback. Delete PS Vita system backups. Format utility. Backup utility. Data transfer utility. Restore default settings. Restore PS3 system information about the PlayStation 3. Oh my God! You just saw my MAC address. Ah! Now that matters. And here's about the PlayStation 3. And I guess we don't really care. Oh, it's like your credits. Oh, look at that. You can speed it up. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, this is getting boring. Anyways, oh God, I think I got dizzy doing that. You got theme settings. I guess you can change your themes here. We got this air paint one. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, look at that. This is kind of beautiful. I'll just go with original here. And you got colors. You can change your color scheme here, so that's kind of cool. Whoa, that's the red. Oh, okay, so you don't even have to click them. You can kind of see what they look like. Neat. They don't have black, unfortunately. But anyways, in the background, you can choose like classic wallpaper things. I don't have any images for it, I guess. You can change the fonts, rounded, pop. I don't know what that means, but I'll just go with original. Date and time settings, set automatically, date format, time format. Like you change everything you can think of. It's pretty cool. Power save settings, controller auto off, things like that. System auto off. You can like after 2 hours, blah blah blah. That's really cool. Accessory settings. You know, look at this: motion controller, reassign controls, control vibrate function, register BD remote, so a Blu-ray player, I guess, or whatever. Manage Bluetooth devices, camera device settings, audio device settings, voice changer. Yeah, I'm gonna be a man now. Keyboard type. I wonder the voice changer here, huh? Keyboard type, key repeat interval, key repeat speed, mouse type. Yeah, it has mouse settings, all that, pointer speeds. So you can see it's crazy. You got even printer settings. I don't know if I can add a printer right now. Other network standard. We'll see if it actually can detect it on the network. Okay, there is probably a way to get it to work. I just have to figure out the settings for it. You got display settings here. So those other display settings were nothing. This is even more. So you can see here there's even screensavers. Might as well set it to 5 minutes. Cross color reduction filter. I'm not sure what this all does, but anyways, you can see it just goes on and on and on. Deep color, you know, who knows. Sound settings, audio settings here. We won't change those. Audio multi output. Oh, this is cool. So you can have more than one output. Oh, that's cool. Keytones are on. That was a keytone, so you can turn off that annoyance, I guess. You got your security settings here. Change password. Parental control for Blu-ray, I guess. Blu-ray, DVD parental control, internet browser control, remote play settings, register device list, custom connection settings, remote start, audio output device, and then you got this network settings. I mean, it just goes forever and ever and ever, and yeah, I mean, that's pretty cool. All the little functions you can do on here. So let's keep going on. So for photos, basically, you can store stuff on here, but also, which there's nothing on here. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, okay, so one of the cool things is this PlayStation is not bloatware in that sense that you pretty much need to download all these things. Like the photo gallery does not actually exist. They want you to download it. This is really nice because they're trying to give you basically, you know, a junkless version when you get it. That's probably the difference. You probably, if you used Xbox ever 360, it's full of shit. There is no shit here. Music Unlimited, this is probably another thing you're going to download, of course. And then of course you can connect. My mom's name is Eleanor, if you're wondering there. My other PCs aren't showing up on there. I probably don't have the sharing on. And of course you can store stuff on the actual PlayStation. And I think if you have your Vita connected or tethered or whatever, you'll have a lot of settings there. You got videos here, Blu-ray data utility. I'm not search that. More search video editor and uploader. Yeah, apparently you can create videos and stuff. And then you got the PlayStation Store. You can buy videos. You got our local computers once again. And then you got the cool thing here is, well, this is video. I thought it was there. There's Netflix. Oh, there you go. TV services. So you got this one here, which I'm not sure. Oh, there's a bunch of them here. There you go. And then, of course, Netflix. Which, by the way, we will be... Well, I'll be putting Netflix on here. I can't really record Netflix for you guys. Some legal stuff there. PS Vita system and application utility. So that Vita basically is a really nice little thing. Apparently they made it for the PlayStation 4, and it works definitely with the PlayStation 3. And there's a lot of neat features you can do with it. Game data utility, memory card utility, save data utility, blah blah blah. Basically, PlayStation opens up everything for you. You can change everything, do anything. They just like it. Remote play. So you have your PSP or PS Vita, you can actually play games on them. Like, that's pretty cool. Your internet browser, internet search, online instruction manual, and then you got all these other cool things like account management, what's new. Basically, it just shows you what's new on here. I don't know if I have anything on what's new right now. Oh, there you go. So, I mean, if you're looking for advertising, you know, if you want to know what's all the advertising going on, it's one button, basically. So that's Xbox Live, just in one button. You got your trophy collection. I don't even know what I have for trophy collections. Performing sync operation. Oh, no. Is it going to be long? I haven't done this. Well, I haven't done this since like 2009 or something, last time I touched the PS3. So this is going to be, who knows. It's probably doing a lot of stuff. I'm actually having internet issues right now, so it's probably going to be annoying right now. But I'm going to ignore it for now. You got PlayStation Home, which I will give you guys a tour on that in the very near future, which is a really cool... it's like Second Life in a way, but for PlayStation. It's like an interactive dashboard in that sense. A lot of cool features. I'll show you a lot of stuff on that. And then you got the PlayStation Store, which is actually a pretty nice looking store. Now, this is going to probably screw up my recording. Is that... Yep, it did. I knew this may happen. So, you know how Xbox and stuff, when you open and close things, it kind of changes the resolution for a second? Well, it stops recording for a second, re-records, so I'll have to splice up the videos together, which I have a little, you know, joiner that just takes 2 seconds, as long as I put them in the right thing. But anyways, basically, this is the store. You can check out, like, this is sort of like the idea of Xbox, you know, you get the advertising for all the stores, and then you can go to the games, and then you can go through here, and then the movies, and, you know, it's, you know, the apps. Yeah, there's apps. Oh, the TV shows, apps. So you got these little apps you can get on here, too. There's not a lot of apps, I don't think, yet, is there? I don't think it's very app. But the nice thing about this, you have to remember this is the end of the life. It's a bit leggish. Oh, there is quite a few apps here. Not a ton. There'll be a lot more on the PS4, since they're, you know, going for that kind of style. But the nice part of it is you can do this all online as well. You can get all your games and stuff like that. And you got PS Vita games, all that. So let's get out of here. You got all your downloads, and oh yeah, you can basically get almost any game day one, basically, right off of the store rather than go out and buy it. Nice thing for Canadians, no taxes. No 13% taxes for you Ontario people, especially. You got PS4 previews. You can check out some of the new stuff coming out. View downloads, recently watched, redeem codes. I mean, it's nice. So let's go back. Let's get out of here. It's going to glitch up here again. We'll lose connection for a second. Okay. We should be recording again here. So that was the PlayStation Store. And then you got a block list of people I've blocked. Add a friend. Can add you if you guys tell me your PlayStation. Players met. Start a new chat. I don't know who I'm starting with. You got a message box, received, no messages, sent, no nothing. You got Kane Hart here with 5 trophies or something. Oh, no, don't do the sync yet. And these are, I guess, all my friends. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's just me just giving you a small example of what basically comes on a freshly installed, or, you know, brand new PlayStation 3, just giving you some of the menu options. Of course, as you guys know, a lot of features can be added as a third party, as an app, etc. So you've got actually a lot more features than what you see here. And of course, it's a gaming console, not a whatever, you know, like you saw. But of course, there's a lot more stuff out there. And I don't think, I mean, I don't have any videos to show you how this looks or whatever, but I wonder if I go like this and just be like, oh, World War Z, what is this? Oh, it's going to open the store. Exit, exit. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful